Take a ride in the 2025 Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, universal garage door opener, trip computer, clock, tachometer, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, satellite radio, perimeter alarm. Your new ride is just a phone call away.